Navigates to the settings. Click on the settings icon. Here you can see tax settings. Under tax settings, click on tax departments. In this page where you can define and manage different types of taxes that apply to your business operations, showing 3 default tax categories, VAT, cess, and the last one. You can edit or rename each of these categories. Each defined tax type can be individually activated or deactivated using a toggle switch, allowing you to control which taxes are currently in effect for your transactions. For each tax type, there's an option to specify whether the sales tax and purchase tax amounts are different. This indicates control over how taxes are applied, depending on whether your business is selling or purchasing items. Finally, save the settings by clicking the Submit button. Let's look at how to add tax. Go to the Taxes section under Tax Settings. Click on it. Now, in the top right corner of the page, click the Add Tax button. First, go to the tax field and enter sales tax. Next, enter the tax rate. For this example, I'll enter 8.25%. Then choose Type. Here you can see tax and cess. Here I select tax. Finally, click the Submit button to save your changes. Thanks for watching.